Hey everybody, I hope everyone's doing okay out there. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, with everyone on lockdown and likely working from home, I thought I'd share some things that we've been doing to replace the office FaceTime with video FaceTime. Firstly, keep it lighthearted, try and replicate some of the fun and the laughs and things like that you have at the office. Being that we're working remotely, we can do some silly things like I'm doing today, dressed as Magnum PI. Some of the other guys have been doing the same, so it's always a bit of fun at the start of the video call to see how everyone's going to be dressed for that call. So now jumping into how we actually set up this video call. So what we did is we've done basically a daily stand-up, and people join as they can if they don't have any other commitments. And it runs every day, Monday to Friday, starting at 8:30 for us. So let's take a look at it. At the start of the lockdown, when everyone went to working from home, what we did is we created this channel called Shooting the Breeze, and the idea was that it's a anything you like channel that people could just idle chit chat, anything goes really, within reason of course. But the idea was just to keep up those office conversations, okay? And so what we did as well is we put our daily stand-up inside of that channel as a channel meeting, okay? And you can see it here. As you can see, we called this meeting a virtual cafe. Daily catch-up meeting whilst we work remotely, no agenda, just a bit of chit-chat while we down the first coffee of the day. So that's kind of sets the scene, right? So next I'm going to show you how I actually created that as a channel meeting. So let's go ahead and create another one of these guys, okay? So jump into the calendar app. From here, I'm going to go new meeting. Okay, and let's do virtual cafe example. Okay, so I'm not going to need to invite attendees specifically, okay, because I'm going to handle that as a channel meeting. Let's make this one follow on from the existing one there, 9:30 till 10. Okay, and we want to repeat that daily. So let's put that there. Okay, so here's the bit we want. We're going to add a channel. Alright, so I'll go to my team's quick tips, and we'll go back to, we'll put this again in the Shooting the Breeze channel. So let's select that. Okay, and we'll put the same body message in there. Right, now we can send it. You can see here there's a bit of a spinning wheel going on here. Once that's completed, you'll actually see that get posted to the channel. So let's go and jump that over here, Shooting the Breeze, there it is, it's already there. Now what I like to do is I like to give it a bold title like I have here. That doesn't happen by default, so what I generally do is just to make it a little easier to see, I'll go and edit it. Little Eclipse menu here, those three dots, click edit. Okay, now click the A with the pencil, the format button. Okay, and right here I will generally put the same subject as the meeting, so virtual cafe example. There we go, and I just need to save that. Right, that looks a lot better now to me. Okay, so now we're good to go, right? So we have our channel meeting here. We can just click on here and join if we want. Okay, and what happens when the first person joins is you'll see that this will go live. So I'll show you an example of that. Okay, so let's join the virtual cafe example. Okay, so as you can see, two people have joined this meeting. Okay, so they started that meeting. I can now see from this channel that that meeting is now active, and I can now quickly join it here. I can also see to the right hand side of the channel that there's a video meeting going on inside the channel. So it makes it sort of a lot more discoverable, I suppose, and flags when the meeting is actually active. Okay, so the idea here is anyone who is available at the time can jump in, and we just have a quick chit chat, have our first coffee of the morning, and then get on with our day essentially. So I'll go ahead and join that now as well. Got the standard options there. I won't join with audio or video at this stage, but here we go. So right, we're in the meeting. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful, and I hope you and your family stay safe during this COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown. Take care.